So at that time also it will be considered as a consumption good or a capital good, because at that time that machine is purchased by a household is for consumption purpose, but when it is purchased by a firm, it will be used in the production process, means it will be used in the business for again and again. It means for several years it becomes a capital good, because it is an investment for a firm. For firm it is an investment, it will be used in the business. Clear? Let me give another example to you for clarification. A car purchased by a household is a consumption good. If a car is purchased by a consumer, he is doing his investment for its own use. Clear? For its own use, he will keep his car. For himself, it means for his family only. That is for consumption purpose. So it becomes a consumption good. Whereas if the same car is purchased by a firm for use in business, at that time it becomes a capital good. Maybe it will be used by the owner himself for up and down at home, to go here and there, or for their employees as transportation purposes. So it will be used in the business, because it will be used in business. Business is an important word. That's why it becomes a capital good. So this is the classification of these two goods and the basis on which we can explain, we can define that the same good can be consumption good and also capital good. I repeat in short, yes, the same good can be consumption good and also capital good. It depends upon the economic nature of its use. Now, let me continue with the next topic, which is very, very important, that is stock and flow. First of all, we should clear about the meaning of these two concepts. What is stock? Little bit I explained you in the money and supply chapter also. Stock is a economic variable which is measured at a given point of time. Stock is an economic variable which are used, which are measured at a given point of time. Now, what is a flow concept? Flow is an economic variable which is measured over a period of time. This is the main difference between two. Stock is measured for a point of time and flow is a variable which is measured for a period of time. Stock is a static concept. Flow is a dynamic concept जो चेंज होता रहता है. Stock means स्थिरता, flow means आना जाना. So let me clarify with some examples. That stock is measured for a point of time, like bank balance in the bank. Bank balance in the bank. What it mean? कि बैंक में पैसा पड़ा है on a given point of time, means on this stated this much amount is there in a bank as a balance. This much balance is available in the bank on this date. So this is a point of time. इतने समय में इतना पैसा पड़ा है, and means up to this month you can say. And flow means which is measured for a period of time, maybe for one day, maybe for 1 month, maybe for 1 year, for 1 week.